codes for Roblox in 2020. And go ahead and share this to your friends or whoever, friends or family, just so they know all the promo codes too if they play Roblox. And like and subscribe so you can see all my other videos, all my new videos. Alright, so number 1, you're going to have Spirit 2020. And I will show you what it gives you, don't worry. So put that in, Spirit 2020, redeem. Now you're going to go on Avatar. Then you're gonna go on Shoulders. And you should get this, Spirit Joy 2020 Shoulder. Now the next code is tweet 2 mil. Tweet 2 mil. Got that? Tweet 2 mil. Now, you will go in hat accessories and it should give you the Social Source Flex. Alright guys, this is what it should give you. Now, the next code is Smiths. So like this, Smiths. Got that? Head and Smiths headphones 2020. Alright, when you redeem that, you are going to go in the hat area and you will get the gnarly triangle right here. Now, the next code is called Spider Cola, and the name matches its look like a lot, and it's even called Spider Cola. And you will go on Shoulders, and which one do you think is Spider Cola? Obviously this one, Spider Cola. Alright, and the last one, Tweet Roblox. Last one is Tweet Roblox, guys. And this one you go in Shoulders, and then you should get the bird says. This one right here. I know this video was like not a lot of promo codes, but there's a reason for that, and it's hard to explain. But to find more promo codes, join the game called Island of Move. And if you want, I'm gonna pull up my notepad. So I'm gonna pull up my notepad and give you guys all the codes, and you can take a screenshot or whatever for the game called Island of Move. So this is 1, World Alive. 2 is DIY, just like that. 3 is Setting the Stage. Hang on, Setting the Stage, just like that. Hold on. There we go. Alright, and then the next one is Strike a Pose. Just like that, guys. Alright? Hold on. Alright, and then the next one is going to be Get Moving. Get Moving. And then the last one is Victory Lap. So take a screenshot of this. This is all the codes for a game called Island of Move. I'll put that down here. And then game name. And I'll put this. Hold on. Put that. It is Island of Move. Just like that, guys. Game name, Island Move. Take a screenshot of this so you remember all the codes for that, and you got some pretty cool stuff. And I hope you have a great Halloween. Hope you have a great day, and like and subscribe so you get to see more of my videos. And share this to a friend so they can see all the promo codes too. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!